Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is having a good day, feeling safe, loved, and happy. This video is going to be a pack with me video, kind of like a get ready with me, but different. I'm going on a weekend trip. Well, it's actually 5 days. Like 4 or 5 days. So it's a little bit longer than a weekend. But I'm going to Las Vegas. So I am bringing you guys this video just to show you how I pack. I travel a lot and I tend to not want to check bags ever. I don't even like carry-ons. I usually just like to bring one book bag and that is it. So I will show you guys how I fit all of my weekend getaway clothes into my 1 or 2 book bags. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 main travel tips that, help me out a lot when I'm traveling. You see me looking down, I'm looking at my notes. So my first tip is know your destination. And what that means is wherever you're going, wherever your final destination is, know what it's going to be like there. So check the weather, check what activities they have, check what is most likely what you're going to be doing while you're there. So I would say try packing like a week to a few days out so you can really get the updated weather conditions for, that area. So is it the dry season? Is it the rainy season? Is it really busy, very touristy? Are you going to want to be bothered with the tourist places? What are you going to be doing while you're there? Know your destination. My second tip is know your own tolerance. So never try to plan to get too much done in a day. You know your body, you know when you're going to be tired, how much activity you can take for the day. Never try to overbook yourself, which is going to cause you to expect more of yourself. So you're going to pack more because, you think I'm up for 2 or 3 clothes changes in a day. Or, I can tolerate carrying a large luggage bag, a carry-on, and a personal item. If you know you're not the person who can handle all of that luggage, then I would just say skip what you can't handle and only take what you can comfortably tolerate. You don't want to be uncomfortable traveling. My third travel tip is plan your looks, plan your outfits. So it doesn't make sense to just throw a bunch of pieces into a bag and hope for the best. Definitely plan what you're going to be wearing while you're at your destination and, doing the activities you're going to be doing. Plan all of that out so that you have everything you need in your suitcase. You have your shoes, your accessories, and also, your clothing pieces. My fourth tip for traveling and packing is choose items that are able to multitask. What that means is for the amount of time you're going to be at your destination, could you wear the same pair of shoes twice while you're there or 3 times while you're there? Can your shoes multitask so you don't have to bring a new pair of shoes for every day? Or could you wear a sweater more than once in different ways? Or a pair of jeans? Or an accessory even, your jewelry or, your hat, anything. Wear items that can multitask and be worn with different items while you're on your trip. My fifth tip is make a list of all of your essentials before you pack. So I'm all about planning and making sure things are in order. I would definitely say so you don't forget anything. Make a list, even if you have to write down the days you're there, what you're going to be doing, and write down the outfits and what you need for every day. So whether that be your makeup, what you're going to be, bringing as far as toiletries, whatever you feel like you're going to need, write it down before you pack so that as you pack, you can check things off of the list. So I know I did say I had 5 tips for you guys. But I do have a bonus tip. My bonus tip is when you're packing your clothes, instead of folding them, roll them. I'll show you what that looks like now. It definitely saves space and it stops your clothes from getting wrinkled. So if you have any items, shirts, pants, or sweaters that are prone to wrinkle, if you roll them even around another clothing item, it definitely stops the wrinkles, but it also will save you a lot of space in your luggage. So if you do want to take more, you'll be able to. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys, I've finished picking out exactly what I'm bringing with me. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm bringing. Again, it's a 5-day, 4-night trip. So here, I just have my undergarments, 6 pairs of socks. And then I have 2 bras I'm bringing, but one I'm wearing on the travel, so it's not going to be packed. And then I like to bring a rag. I have 2 bralettes, 2 panties. This is a set, so 3 panties. My swimsuit, because there is a pool at the hotel. And then this is my sleep section. I have 1 pair of leggings, 2 shorts, and then 3 tank tops, and that is for sleep. Here I have the outfits I'm bringing. So this one, I'm wearing my boots on the plane as well, so I don't have to pack those. I'm wearing my sweater on the plane as well, just to save some space. So I have jeans and this crop top. Then it is sort of a business trip, so we're gonna have to go to some meetings. So I brought like a little, well, just one meeting actually. So I brought the jeans with my floral blazer, and then I'll be wearing a tank top underneath the blazer with those shoes. And then after that, when we're just kind of like enjoying Vegas, I'm just gonna have on a t-shirt and these leggings with my sneakers. And then I brought like a cute little blouse. It's warm. It's supposed to be warm over there, and shorts. Over here, I have like all of my travel needs. I have my makeup. That's not all of it though. I'm only gonna bring like the basic routine. Then my get ready stuff, my soap, my face scrubber, my body oil, chapstick, a toothbrush. Then I have like a little emergency / medical kit, just like with my multivitamins and some meds. And then I like to bring an extra pair of insoles just in case my boots get uncomfortable. This is my glasses case. This is my jewelry. So I have my bracelets in this bag, this leaf bag. And then this one I'll most likely be wearing on the plane because it's my favorite. Will it focus? Maybe not. Yeah, it just has like all the chakra beads. But these are all my earrings, and then another bracelet. I don't really wear necklaces, so that won't be an issue. And then some sunglasses. I'm going to be packing everything into these 2 book bags and just carry them on. And that's my plane outfit. Yeah, if you guys, find anything useful from this video, have any further questions, leave them in the comments. Like, subscribe so you guys can, keep up with everything I'm doing here on my YouTube channel. Keep watching.